In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an effective weekly planner in Notion. If you're looking for a way to organize your week with a tool that's as versatile as it is efficient, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps that will help you create a planner to keep you on track and organized. First things first, open up Notion in your connected workspace. Notion is fantastic for managing wikis, docs, and projects all in one place. And having everything connected makes it easy to find and refer back to your documents. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you don't yet have an account, you'll want to sign up to get started. Notion is accessible via different devices, and your data syncs automatically, ensuring you have what you need at your fingertips. Once logged in, head over to your Notion home. This is where all of your pages and projects are housed. If you can't recall where your home page is, simply navigate to it from the sidebar on the left. It's your base of operations in Notion. On the home page, you'll want to use the search function to look for Weekly Planner. Notion boasts a wide array of templates designed by other users that can be customized for your specific needs. Simply type in your search and let Notion point you in the right direction. After entering your search term, you'll see a variety of templates that others have created and shared. Take a moment to explore the options and think about which one looks the most appealing or functional for your personal style. See how they're laid out and try to imagine how your tasks would fit into these templates. Once you find a template that you like, click to select it. This will bring up the template in more detail, allowing you to see how it's been set up and organized. Pay attention to the categories and structure. These can all be customized later to suit your personal preferences. After you've reviewed the template and you're happy with your choice, you just need to click on Add. This will import the template into your Notion workspace, giving you the foundation for your own personalized weekly planner. And there you have it, a custom weekly planner ready for your personal touch. Take a little time now to fill in your tasks, events, and goals for the week. As you use it, you might find ways to modify and optimize it for even better productivity. Remember, the key to staying organized is maintaining and revisiting your planner regularly, making adjustments as needed to keep it effective for you. Enjoy your newly organized week with your Notion planner, and happy planning!